Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Let's start today's class. So student, please take out your English things from your bag. This is your block 2 and this is the lesson 1. And today your topic is indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns that don't refer to a specific thing or person. Okay students, I hope student it is clear to you. So today's your keyword is indefinite pronouns. Next one. So student, look at this picture carefully. Now tell me, what are the people doing? Look at this picture carefully and tell me what are the people doing in this picture. So students, in this picture someone is reading a book. Someone is reading a book. Many are looking out of the window. Somebody is sitting on a seat. And nobody is listening. Nobody is listening to music. So these are your, I hope these are the answers. Nobody is listening to music. Many are going to get off at the next station. Some are looking out of the window and everyone is going somewhere. Someone is sitting on a seat or holding a pot. Now student, can you tell me which are the pronouns in it? So here are nobody, many, some, everyone and someone. So they are indefinite pronouns. I hope students it is clear to you. So student, can you tell me how do we use these words in sentences? Like nobody, someone, some, many, everyone. So how do we use these words in sentences? So we use singular identity. So here are some singular indefinite pronouns. So here are some plural indefinite pronouns. So in singular indefinite pronouns and plural indefinite pronouns. So here somebody, nobody, someone, everything, no one, everyone, they are called as singular indefinite pronouns. So here some are plural, few and many. So can you tell me how do we use these words in sentences? So yes, we use singular indefinite pronouns before singular verbs and plural indefinite pronouns before plural verbs. For example, nobody is listening to music. So is singular hai, nobody singular. So is listening. So somebody, nobody, someone, everything, no one, everyone, they are always used with singular verbs. Plural indefinite pronoun, few and many are used before plural verb, few and many. For example, many are going to get off the next station. Here the word some are used both singular and plural. Here for example, some are looking out of the window. I hope student it is clear to you. So I will tell you another rule. There is a trick. Look at these words. Here are 4 words. Some, okay, any, every and no. Here are also 4. Buddy, one, thing and where. Okay, so by using these words we make many indefinite pronoun, singular indefinite pronoun. Somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody. Someone, anything, anyone, sorry, someone, anyone, everyone, no one. Something, anything, everything, nothing. Somewhere, anywhere, everywhere, nowhere. So we will make a table. Somebody, sorry, somebody, somebody, anybody, everybody, nobody. Buddy words are called singular indefinite pronouns. Someone, anyone, everyone, no one. So these pronouns we will use for person. बडी और वन के साथ जो भी हम प्रोनाउन यूज़ करेंगे दैट वी कॉल्ड इट दैट वी यूज़ फॉर अ पर्सन. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, समथिंग, एनीथिंग, एवरीथिंग और नथिंग. थिंग्स, all have thing, so we use these pronouns for things. Next one, somewhere, anywhere, everywhere, nowhere. So they are adverb also. Someone, somewhere, anywhere, everywhere and nowhere. So they are adverb also, adverb, and they are used for place. Where, place के लिए यूज़ करेंगे हम इसको. Okay, I hope student it is clear to you. So student, this is your worksheet, indefinite pronouns. So you have to try this worksheet. Okay. In our next online class, we will discuss this topic deeply. Okay. So student, watch this video carefully. And you have to try to do this worksheet 2.1. In our next online class, we will discuss this worksheet and discuss this topic in detail. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you. So student, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. Bye bye students. Have a nice day.